Welcome back. So by this point, you should have a good idea about how to get a sound, working on your embouchure and your posture and getting a good airflow all the way through the saxophone to get a good sound. Those are important things. You probably also thought a lot about the hand position and you know how to hold the saxophone, and I bet you probably tried to play some notes and you probably tried to press some keys down and see what happens. So now we're going to officially teach you some notes. The first three notes so you can start playing some songs. These notes, these first three notes, you'll be able to play all kinds of little melodies that you'll recognize. So let's just get right to it. The first note I'm going to teach you is the note B. Now this note, if you were reading music, is right in the middle of the staff, right in the treble clef, written right there. So that's the note that you're going to learn. That's the first note. And it's a concert D. B on the alto saxophone. So the way we play this, we press our first finger down. Remember where the hands go. We've got our thumb on the thumb rest in the back there. We've got our first finger up here in our middle and all these other fingers near those keys hanging out, waiting to do something. So we're going to press down that first finger in the left hand. That's the index finger. Okay? Now that's a B. So I'm going to play that for you so you can hear it. Sounds just like that. That's your B. Okay? First note. Sounds pretty good. It's a nice note. Now the next note, the good thing about saxophone is it's a very organized instrument. So we're going to go to a lower note. It's going to sound lower. And I'm going to press one more key down. I'm going to keep that B finger down, the B key, that first finger. I'm going to add one more finger, the middle key, the middle finger key in the left hand. And this note is A. So we're going down to A. Now, listening to that, it is lower. Now, if I play the two back and forth, you'll hear that the B is higher than the A. Listen. Now you can experiment with that a little bit. Use your ears whenever you play. Listen to the sound. Listen to how the quality of the sound is and also the pitch, whether it's higher or lower. So that A is lower. Now we're going to go down one more note in the musical alphabet. And what's below A? It's G. So we only go up to G. That's the highest note in the musical alphabet, and then it starts over with A. It repeats itself. So this is going to be lower, actually. We're going to the G below that A, and it's one more finger down. And this one is still in the staff. It's the second to bottom line if you're reading the music in the staff. Sounds like this. You hear that? One more time. Nice strong note. Now let me play all three just so you can hear the difference in the pitch between all these notes, the difference of the tone. Play it slow, play it fast. It's good to do that. Okay? Now, I'm going to demonstrate for you just so you can hear what you can do with these three notes. I'm going to play a simple little song that you'll recognize for sure, something that you can play as well. Just want you to hear it, use your ears, listen to what I play. Maybe you can try to figure it out too after I play it. So I'm sure you recognize that song, and there are many other songs that you can learn that have just those three notes. Try to find them. Use your ear, figure them out, or come up with your own little melodies just using those three notes. Experiment. Now's the time to start having fun with the saxophone. Mess around and have a good time. Okay? Don't forget, good embouchure, good posture, good airstream. That's what's going to make it sound good and make other people want to listen to you when you play. All right? So keep at it, keep practicing, and I look forward to seeing you on the next lesson.